again? They're from
Pampanga.
Pala siya.
Pampanga. So Pampanga to
Kagabi
Visayas.
na ano ako.
How long is that?
They probably went to Bohol.
Yeah,
Nagano
nakala ko
sila.
ganyan lang.
Cebu, Pacific.
Oh shit. Mabuhay.
Buhay. Which is the Caberry
Kagabi
Canyon
wala
still.
to. Ay, nag-high tide na no, bebe.
Shit, we can get lato.
Lato. What's lato?
Sea grapes.
Ah, okay. Lato, okay.
Shit.
We call that aruse from ours.
Pag summer siguro buhot.
And then we'll get videoke.
That's more green right? Yeah. We call that aruse.
The one time we went to Palawan, there was our friend that does chocolate. But the thing is, Kuya, would you like to eat Chinese food? I guess.
Yeah. Chinese food is good.
We'll go eat Majestic. We'll get shopao.
Parang,
Shopao is good.
The chicken feet. We gotta eat as much chicken feet
Oh.
as we can get.
I
pero
love
mas
chicken
parang
feet.
pinas sa
Shit.
Boracay.
What was it? Nino Mike?
Hindi yung
Your
pagka
cousin?
ng sand.
Mhm.
Kasi pag natutunaw yung ano,
Oh, chicken feet.
Yeah. Duck, chicken.
parang sponge.
Yun ang galing sa gagawin sa Pangasinan. Gonna make them cook.
Ano bang lasa ng chicken feet?
It's really good. It's
That one that you
Hindi ka pa
made.
nakatikim?
The one you made, I didn't taste it yet, but I was thinking, is it spicy? You make it spicy?
Yeah, that's only thing. Pwede ka na mag-order ng hindi spicy.
Pang bata nga to.
Oh, no, wala palang sili. No, walang sili
Ako
yun.
walang si...
Yeah, the sauce is really good sa rice.
Palagi lutan daw.
And gelatinous siya kasi nga, di ba collagen?
Pwede na naman tumayo pa to, no?
And then gumawa pa yun yung anak ni Tito Mike mo yung gumawa sila ng deep fried chicken. Tinanggal yung buto. She deep fried it. Oh my God, sarap. Yun ang ginagin ko lutas.
Right.
Yeah, huh?
Does that mean... It's just literally like this.
Ano na naman ito mini-message mo?
Ano daw yan?
What the fuck is this?
Is it an update?
Every time she messages something, it's
Wala, is ano daw, Jollibee.
Oo nga, no, hindi na pala tayo dun sa may 7-Eleven.
48. Congratulations, 48th anniversary.
Magabawal naman tayo.
Tangin na mo, Cebu, nasa mga the Cebu course, I guess.
$200. What is that? I don't need to gift card. I have my own money. Yeah, money.
Gift card.
Ba't walang
You
sawa ni
completed your smog now, Kuya?
Oh shit! Bukas kailangan ko pala bukas. 7 naman naman pa. I have to complete that tomorrow. Pagising ko bukas.
Pagising sa umaga, nakakatapos sa matibot. Matibot.
Matibot? What is Matibot?
Ooh, direct flight.
Matibot!
Delta Airlines.
lalabas
Shit, magkano kaya ito?
nakatali naman.
Delta Airlines always expensive.
Delta.
But it's direct flight though.
Ayan mga
From
kapatid,
Cali.
nandito kami nag-almusal. Dito din kami kumain kagabi. Masarap yung mga luto nila. Simple lang.
So at least I give myself...
Parang natural
15
flavor
months.
yung mga nalalasahan mo. Hindi
I
maalat.
will be able to sit in between
Ayan.
another person and another person. That last time I went home, was
Adobo
that
daw
last year?
kangkong. Pero wala po siya suka. Nilagyan ko lang ng
Having to
suka.
sit
Kasi
in
yun yung
between
kinikrave ko.
and then realizing I'm
Tapos
like,
yung
my
sinigang
bill
daw
bill is
dito. Ito
touching
po
the
yung
other
sinigang.
person.
Pero,
And then there was a
bago
pogi,
yung
and then there was a Ate Maganda. I said, oh shit.
Tapos,
And then I ended up waking up
meron
snoring
siyang
on the
ano,
bed. I felt so bad. I'm
may
like, why didn't I
ano,
sleep on the pogi? I'm like,
parang,
I am so
ano na,
sorry.
ah,
I just came
ano
from
yung
work,
tao
got
dito?
knocked out.
Healthy.
I'm sorry, man.
Ito, lato. Isda. Anong isda yan? Dorado. Ayan, healthy. Bumibili siyang dalawang hotdog. Pinigilan ko lang. Sabi ko, ang daming
What kind of...
kulay, ang daming ano.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the
mga
sea
hotdog.
grapes.
Isa lang kako.
Yeah.
Para sa kanya naman yun.
Maybe you guys will like Bisaya Puchero?
Kain po.
Butcher is good.
Market,
Parang
market
nilaga.
day po nila.
May saging nga lang, di ba? They put saging on it.
Daming
Saba?
pogi, oh.
Saba.
Butcher, no? Well, how do they cook it?
Iikutan po namin
Whatever
mamaya.
the meat, and then with
Nandito kami
gulay.
sa
But when
Anda.
I taste yours, I'm like, this is sweet. It tastes good. It's like, would recommend again.
Chero.
Jara.
Ayaw nga.
But next time, maybe Let's see. If we make puchero,
Naghahanap ng kalapate.
we should do a fried bananas.
Yeah,
Mula
fried
bayan
banana. That's the
po.
puchero I know. But fried
Nilagay yung palengke
bananas.
pala. Ayan
Meron
po.
siyang pechay,
Tapos,
repolyo.
lakad lang ng konti.
Baka naman ang nilalagay ng baka.
Papasok
Ba-
sa
You put
resort kung saan
beef.
kami nag-stay.
Anda de Boracay.
Ano?
I met the nana and said, "Where is Chocolate Hills, babe?" In Cebu.
Breadfruit?
It's po.
Kuminsan.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Breadfruit, yan
Close
ba?
enough.
Bumili ako ano,
Pangasinan.
mais. Para kay ka-farmer.
Ka-farmer, kabali.
Kumakain na siya ng mais ngayon. Prutas? 2,000 ang kilo.
Ano siya naman yun?
Saan kasi tayo?
Did you load something natin?
Limutan ko na. Gabi kasi kami dumadaan yung flights. Nasa ayoko nga. Lakatan ba yan? Baka yung green yan.
Buksan mo yan. Kaya tayo doon.
Eh, oh, sabi ko sa'yo masyadong malaki. Lakatan. Tanong mo. Tanong sa puno. Ay, ito sigurado ako papaya to.
Yeah.
Sinta.
I said, oh my god, I woke up and I'm like, oh shit.
That lady.
I'll put you and Daniel in the same
Pag
seat.
mahaba.
I'm gonna sit with, I'll sit with Nancy Todd with
Yeah,
you.
you guys. Nandito rin the middle.
Dati ano.
I'll get a,
You get the left side, I get the right side.
I'll buy your ticket.
And it's like,
Itong maganda sa
if it's me and you, then I'll be like, okay. Come closer, just sink into my side. And then,
Your ate was too ashamed, man. Too embarrassed, I mean, when we traveled the first time.
Magkagtatabi siya akong dalawa. Ano ba sa'yo?
She's too embarrassed. I fell asleep Hawaiian Airlines.
Sabi ko ano no.
I was snoring really loud.
I go mineralize and make it ano sa video.
Now we can document everything. We have the, I'm gonna buy the other one.
I told them ano no mer.
shut up, we're gonna do it. Same vehicle. How can she not know us?
Kasi po,
Yeah. When we sit,
room namin,
umubali kami.
ano,
There's my seat. Kung ano sa
sa third floor.
Excuse me?
And if you're looking for an extra water, I'll be like, no, girl, you don't know me.
And I go, excuse me, move your side to go bathroom.
So mean. When we get back into the country, we're like, yeah, that was that time you were mean to me. You didn't give me an extra chicken leg.
Chicken leg daw ako.
It's like, you ate my chicken leg? And it's like, don't worry, dude. I can get you a pack of chicken legs at the hypermarket. I want to go to Pure Gold so bad.
Maraming chicken din, maraming chicken.
The Del Mundo is waiting for us
Del
to go in.
Mundo especially. Ooh.
Di ba, men? Matigas pa yung ano, pero you can hear it.
Bakit?
Yung ano.
I've been avoiding it. I was like, this is too hard.
But you can hear it. Kaya mo na naman mo.
So yung sabuhin, naabot nyo nga niya.
Just drink the juice. Don't eat it.
Ito yung ano.
Usually I like to eat what you make, but this ball.
I know. No, I
Which
cook
one is the hard part?
I cook it like 20 minutes.
Which one's the hard part?
The balls.
Sago? Sago?
Sago. Yung per.
Parang may naririnig
I was
akong
like-
bata eh. Ay, sarap. Naiinitan na ako.
Like a Julie. Marble.
Kaya nga.
Watch us get indigested.
Kaya nga.
Ano mo kainin? Yung juice lang.
Isa lang ating mga...
Yeah.
Nukin mo.
Baka
But then
hindi nyo ba hindi ma-digest.
Kaya pala
Maybe
eh.
ano lang natin.
Sipsipin mo lang
Ay,
yun.
nagsasalit lang ako ng mga kape. May shower ano dito sa baba.
What is this name of this cheese, dude? Pecorino Romano?
Liver cheese.
Nasaan sila?
Yeah, yaman yun. Even cheese.
I'm thinking,
Ano naman din namin?
Bakit na pwede dito para naman?
Nagtatapiyok.
Cheers.
dito naman.
dito sa
37. Okie dokie. Tapos na kaming kumain.
See you later, bye.
Later.